Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change your Windows 11 PC or laptop IP address using settings. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you just need to right click on your start menu icon and click on settings. After open settings window, you just need to click on network and internet from your left side over here. On your right side you will get Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So I will change the IP for my Ethernet. So I'll click on Ethernet. Now here you will get your IP address, IPv4 address, as you can see. So simply click on edit, and here you just need to select manual, and here you just need to put your IP address. So in my case I am putting here 192.168.0.129. okay. Now here you just need to put your subnet marks 255.255.0 in my case, and here's the gateway as you can see. So you can change your DNS from here also. Okay, after that click on save and you're done. So I hope this tutorial really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.